Hindustan Motors introduced the Contessa back in 1982, at a time when the two most popular cars were the aging Ambassador and the small, budget-oriented 800. In a bid to introduce some zing to its lineup, the company acquired all the manufacturing rights of the Victor sedan from the British carmaker Vauxhall for almost £1.5 million. They bought it all except the name. It had two iterations, the first built from 1982 to 1990 and was endowed with the Ambassador's outdated 1.5-litre petrol engine. The second update brought with its styling upgrades and the addition of a modern 1.8-litre petrol engine sourced from Isuzu as a bonus for the two brands' new joint venture at the time. It came with a front-engine rear-wheel drive layout, earning it the title of India's muscle car. This model was so popular, custom car builders prize it to this day for the fun factor that it offered. One such example comes from Chandigarh. It is the prized possession of Ishdeep Singh. It is a 1997 model with the original 1.8-litre petrol engine, which at the time made 75 bhp and 136 Nm of torque. As you can see, Ishdeep wanted to go for the coupe look and has modified his car into a two-door. The bodywork has been done by a certified member of the Moga Car Club and has the original trim work around it as well. Now, in order to do so, a part of the midsection between the B pillar and the C pillar had to be cut out along with the rear doors as well and then joined back together. As a result, the car gets a shorter wheelbase and a more rigid structure, aiding in better agility and handling compared to the original. While it does look a tad disproportionate, it counters that fact with a set of 17-inch alloys running on 205 50-section tires. Now the original came with puny 13 inches, thus Ishdeep had to modify the suspension and extend the wheel well into the engine bay in order for the tires to fit flush. The result, you'll have to look twice to find out because that's the reaction it gets on the streets. The car also gets front and rear bumper delete in order to accentuate the Contessa's old school design. Not satisfied by just this, this Contessa also gets a custom made blacked out grille to top it off. Stepping away from the aesthetics, the car still carries the 1.8-litre engine in relatively stock condition. However, it does get a custom exhaust in order to give it more of a rumble. While it does sound pretty good, some aftermarket performance enhancements like a 4-barrel carb, forged rods and high-profile cams could have taken this build to a whole new level. Now stepping inside, there is no shortage of custom modifications in here too. The dashboard is custom made, complementing the tan leather seat covers and the leather inserts on the door panels as well as on top of the dashboard. While it does have AC added to the list, the car is in process of getting some custom air vents as well. Another nifty addition is the sportier looking aftermarket steering wheel, which definitely suggests Ishdeep's vision for what he wants this car to be: sporty. So this was a quick look at a modified Hindustan Motors Contessa, and tell us in the comments down below what you thought of this custom car build. Also, if you'd like to feature your own quantified car on the Indian Autos blog, send us some pictures and some videos of your pride and joy to the email in the description down below. Until then, if you like this video, please hit the like button, also smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to not miss any of our upcoming videos.